We are doing for chapter 1, that is our rational numbers, right? Last time we have completed the whole exercise and chapter. Now today we have to discuss first workbook. Okay, whatever the doubts you have, you can now clear today only
Ma'am, your voice is
workbook only.
Ma'am, you are lagging.
What?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is not
lagging.
clear.
मैम आज क्या करना है हमें?
कुछ नहीं करना है.
Workbook.
Nothing to do.
मैम आज मस्ती करनी है.
अरे आज today is a surprise test.
ठीक है.
Can you able to see the screen? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now.
मैम आपने स्क्रीन ही हटा दी.
You are able to see now, so I have taken it out. I hope everyone has started now. Chalo, we are doing from the first question. Okay, I am asking you also, you just give the answer. First question. A number which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q does not is equal to 0. Then what it will become?
Rational number.
Understood?
Rational
Rational number.
Number. Now everybody has the answer, so you can give the answer directly also from the screen. So now tell me, in
I have written already all the exercises. Ma'am, I have done workbook.
is there any doubt?
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Is there any doubt?
No.
Then actually I will solve it out.
No,
मैम
ma'am.
कुछ डाउट नहीं है.
अरे
Ma'am, I
वाह.
have a doubt
हाँ.
in workbook.
Now,
I have no doubt.
okay. Whoever has doubt, just tell me. I will do it.
Okay, ma'am.
बोलिए. Which question, Bhakti, you mic on and then speak. If you have any doubt.
No, ma'am.
No doubt.
I have a doubt in only one question.
And that is solve it out after looking the answer key.
Okay.
Okay, now is there any other doubt regarding the first chapter in the workbook?
No.
No, ma'am.
Pakka? Because now I am going to start the second
No,
chapter.
ma'am.
If you don't have any doubt, I will start the second chapter.
No.
100%
Yeah.
any doubt, right?
Second.
Okay. So I'm asking you some questions, okay? Tell you.
Okay.
I am stopping the screen share first of all. Then only I can ask you. Okay. First question is that how many integers are there between -9 and -10?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Can I?
Ma'am,
Can I?
Zero.
minus 10 and minus 10.
No integer.
How many integers are present?
No integer between minus 10
No
and
integer.
No integer. Answer. Okay.
What, ma'am?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
No. Answer is no only.
10.
Yes.
Between
Why
9
was not
and -10, there is no
Ma'am,
integer.
you are lagging.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. It is surprise test, so everybody's voice is lacking now. Okay.
ma'am, really it's like
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the reciprocal of -2?
Ma'am, can I?
Can I?
Ma'am, can I? Can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait now.
Can I?
You can just say. बोलिए. Vaibhavi.
No one.
Vaibhavi Sindha. Give me the answer. Reciprocal of -2.
Ma'am, please.
Vaibhavi Sindha.
-2 reciprocal equal. -2 reciprocal is equal. -2.
Huh?
-1/2 would
Same
be
it
the
is.
answer, beta. Reciprocal I have asked. Now next page.
Yes.
What is the additive inverse of 4/5? Additive inverse. Netra.
Ma'am, can I?
Array.
-1/2. Answer.
That is answer of first question. I have started the second question also. Write the additive inverse of 4/5. Bhakti.
4/3.
You can write in the chat box also. Swara. What would be the answer?
Ma'am, what is the additive inverse of?
4/5.
Okay.
Answer
Ma'am,
is
can I tell?
Ma'am, -4/5.
Yeah.
okay. Next question I will ask you. Don't worry. 0 has dash reciprocals. How many reciprocals does a 0 have?
Can I
Can
tell?
I?
Can I?
No. 1 minute. Huh?
Can I?
Wait. So write down the answer in a chat box, everybody. Because it is
Dal
not
diya.
very good.
Sorry.
Okay, very good, everyone. Huh? Very good. Chaliye, next question now. The product of two real numbers is always a dash. The product of,
What, ma'am? Can you?
I am repeating only. You are not waiting.
Okay.
The product of two rational numbers is always a dash. Very good. Fast answer you are giving, huh? Very good. All the answers are right. Right? Answer would be a rational number. Right? Next.
Yes.
1/2 is a natural number. True or false? 1/2 is a natural number. Question is not yes or
Ma'am,
no.
someone mic was on.
I will mute everyone.
Yes.
Ma'am, false.
Right answer in chat box only.
False.
Okay. Next question. The additive inverse of 1/2 is -2. Yes, you have started giving the answers. Nirmal, Krishna, Paswan, Bhakti, Khushi, Deepak, Krishna, Netra, Mahi. Okay, everybody's answer is false only. Shivani, Dhara, very good. Chaliye, now true not a false is the answer. Manav. Answer is false. Manav. Okay. Cell also. False. C is written. Next question. The negative of any rational number. Again repeating. The negative of any rational number is the number itself. Okay. See, you don't write answer to everyone. Answer to madam only. Otherwise, everybody can look your answer and give me the comment. Right? So answers would be to me only. Madam only. Not any other. Okay. So your answer is true. Okay. Chaliye. Now the next question. I am giving you the sum. You have to solve it and give the answer. Okay. Take 1 or 2 minutes. It's okay. But try to give the fast answer. The question is that Subtract minus 3 upon 8 from minus 5 upon 7.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
one
your
minute.
voice is lagging.
Ma'am, your voice.
नहीं आपको
Yes,
तो
ma'am. Your voice.
I have to just unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Very pleasant of
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
your
your
video
voice
also lagging.
false.
no problem. Again I am repeating. Subtract minus 3 upon 8 from minus 5 upon 7. Write down the question first. Subtract minus 3 upon 8 from
Ma'am?
minus 5 upon 7. बोलो खुशी.
Can you write the question in chat box because of my network issue?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can't hear you clearly.
Ma'am, minus 3 upon 8 minus आगे वाला बोलो ना.
Ma'am, मैं बोलूं आंसर?
Now wait for some time.
मैम आप क्वेश्चन बोलो ना एक बार वापस. हाँ मैम क्वेश्चन मैम
अरे
एक बार फिर से.
minus 3 upon 8 from minus 5 upon 7.
Very good. देखो किसी को चिल्लाना पड़ता है. minus 3 upon 8 from minus 5 upon 7. So you have to do minus 5 upon 7 minus into minus 3 upon 8. Very good. Okay. But task is missing.
Repeat the question.
How many times? Minus 3 upon subtract minus
What?
upon 8 from minus 5 upon 7. Minus 3 by 8
Ma'am.
from
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
just wait for 5 minutes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Answer is
Ma'am, मेरा minus 19 upon 6.
your answer is
Ma'am, मैंने minus.
upon
मैम
15.
कैसे माइनस 19?
Ma'am, कैसे आएगा?
हाँ मैम
कैसे
माइनस
आएगा
के
वो? Minus 40 plus 21. You got minus 40? Minus 40 is enough. Minus 40 plus 21 is 19. Right? And bigger number sign is of minus.
Yes.
So it become minus 19 upon 52.
Ma'am, can I see?
आपने
I have
question
solved.
3 upon 8 from minus 5 upon 7 ही दिया था ना?
Now should I repeat the question for it now?
मैम
No,
एक बार
ma'am.
और रिपीट करो ना क्वेश्चन, शायद कुछ गड़बड़ लग रही है
Minus
इधर.
3 upon 8 from minus 5 upon 7. That was the question. Subtract minus 3 upon 8 from minus 5 upon 7. That was your question.
Okay, ma'am.
मेरा आंसर भी वही आया है.
अरे बाप रे.
Ma'am, I also.
Just now you have doubt in a question. Then suddenly came this answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See now, the product of two numbers. The product of two numbers is minus 28 upon 75. Again repeating. The product of two numbers is minus 28 upon 75. If one of the number is 14, 1 for 14 upon 2, 5, 25, find the other number. Repeating the question again. The product of two rational numbers is minus 28 upon 75. If one of the number is 14 upon 25. Find the other. The question is clear to everyone? Good, Bhakti. Answer is right.
Ma'am, what?
The product of two numbers is minus 28 upon 75. If one of the number is 14, 14 upon 25, find the other. Bhakti has got this answer also. You have to,
What, ma'am?
Bhakti has given you the answer also. What you have to do, that number would be minus 28 upon 75 divided by 14 upon 25. Divide, you have to convert into the multiply. It becomes a reciprocal. Minus 28 upon 75 25 upon 14. Get the answer and tell me the final answer. Or write it down to everyone. Okay, don't worry.
Minus 11 by 50. Oh, sorry.
No,
11 by 75.
no. New Suthar, I am getting your answer.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Tell me. And you can show me also.
Minus 2 by 3.
Right. Minus 2 upon 3 is your correct answer. Okay. Understood this now? Chali. Now
Yes,
go
ma'am.
for second,
Yes, ma'am.
little bit of second chapter.
Yes,
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So second chapter is our linear equation. That is having the one variable also. Every time we have to find it out the value of variable. And everybody has,
Then we start second chapter.
yes. Now I want to start the
Yes, ma'am, your voice is lagging.